Your IRA for week number 21 is Tiger in My Soup. You need to scan the QR code and watch and listen to the story before you start your journal prompt below. If you've already done that, then you can continue with this video. The prompt says, the little boy says that it's no fun to read by yourself. Do you like to read by yourself? Why? If you could pick someone to read to you, who would it be? As always, you need to write me at least 2 sentences for your journal response. The first sentence should be answering the question, do you like to read by yourself? And why? In your first sentence, you need to tell me if you like to read by yourself, and then you also need to tell me why or why not. So I should see the word because in that sentence. For your second sentence, you're telling me who you'd like to read to you. If you could pick anyone in the world to read to you, who would it be? I think you should also tell me why you pick this person too. So I should see the word because in your second sentence as well. If you'd like to write me more about reading, either stories by yourself or your favorite stories or anything else along this topic, then you can after those 2 sentences. If you need more room, you can turn the paper over and write on the back. Please don't forget your name at the bottom.